All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach, doing a walk around video on this 2003 Chevrolet SSR. These videos are designed not necessarily to hype up the cars, but to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever. So we're gonna start at the front bumper. Front bumper seems to be in really good condition. A little bit of wear up on the front bumper, nothing crazy. Couple little paint blemish there. Headlight looks good. Grill looks good. Second headlight looks good. The headlights are a little foggy. We're going to kind of sand those down a little bit, see if that'll come out. The hood as a whole looks fantastic. No major chips, no major paint flaws. Front fender looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel looks good. No major curb rash, and a brand new set of Michelin tires. Side view mirror looks good. Driver door looks great. Running board's in good shape. Driver's side on the bed looks great. Rear wheel looks fantastic. Rear bumper looks good. Paint's a little faded here. This looks great. Cody, can you open the trunk for me? This has got the really cool wood slats. And it's super, super clean back here. Passenger side looks fantastic as well. Wheels look good. Door looks great. Really no major scratches, dents, or dings on the whole car. Windshield looks good. No chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. We're gonna put the top down now, so you can see what the top looks like as it's going down. Driver's not included. Super quiet. Looks great. Can you pop the hood, please? Shot of the engine, nice and quiet, no visible oil leaks. Looks real good. We haven't even gotten a full detail on this car yet, and this is how good it looks coming to us.